A brand new leak has just dropped, giving us one of the sharpest looks yet at DJI's upcoming Pocket 4. This isn't just another prototype. The dual-camera design is polished, sleek, and almost ready for production, hinting at a near-final device built for creators who demand compact versatility without compromise. Rumors point to a larger main sensor, telephoto support, Hasselblad color tuning, and ergonomic hidden buttons, all designed to elevate both video and photo quality in one tiny powerhouse. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. DJI has been quietly testing the Pocket 4 in real-world scenarios, fine-tuning autofocus, low light performance, and stabilization for dynamic shooting environments. Meanwhile, the hype isn't just about cameras. The upcoming Avata 360 drone is making waves with promo images suggesting a hybrid FPV and 360-degree shooting experience. One-lens dual modes and a one-axis mechanical tilt could let pilots switch seamlessly between immersive 8K spherical capture and traditional forward-facing FPV shots. The Avata 360 also appears packed with sensors, combining visual and lidar style tech for near-complete directional awareness, all while weighing under 250 grams, possibly keeping it in the CG classification for easier flying. Controller flexibility is another major edge, supporting both joystick-style precision and the RC Motion 3 paired with goggles N3 for full FPV immersion. With leaks surfacing almost daily, the DJI Pocket 4 and Avata 360 are shaping up to be major releases for creators this season, pushing compact tech to new heights. Stay tuned, because these devices could redefine portable filmmaking and FPV flight, all while keeping control simple and intuitive.